Hello, I'm Anthony, and in this video I'm going to do a quick little unboxing of the DJI Ronin SC Gimbal. As you see, it comes in a nice beautiful box. Take the top off of here real quick. Alright, get rid of that. Okay, let's see. Looks like it opens like that. Let's see. I don't want to open. Okay, it's opening this way. Okay, so you see it comes in a nice case. Look at that. Beautiful DJI Ronin SC. Let's turn it around real quick. Open it up. Nice. Look at that packaging. Okay, we got some instructions here and some other stuff. Let's open that up. Okay, so we have different languages here. Looks like quick start guide, phone holder. So very detailed. See, yeah, looks okay. Some other stuff here. All right, pretty straightforward there. Okay, as you see, it has a lot of compartments. Very nice and organized. Let's see what this is. It has Allen wrenches, some other tools, screws to tighten things down. We don't need that. Okay. Let's see what's in here. Okay, looks like a grip. Oh, with the charging port. Okay, it's something to do with. I guess that's a. Okay, so it gets hooked. That's the grip. Okay. All right, we got the tripod part, the bottom part. Take that off. It's the tripod area. Nice. So I guess that goes on the bottom of this, maybe. I don't know. We're not gonna figure it out right now. It's just an unboxing. Okay. We got this over here. Okay, so I guess that's the phone holder. Yeah, looks like that's a phone holder. Okay, very cool. And we have the main part. Let's see, so that goes in here. Take a look, let me show you so you can see it. Okay, cool. Again, I'm going to be figuring this stuff out later, so I won't be doing too much in this video. And we have the cable, power source, charge it up. Very cool. All right, what else? Oh, we got another one. Comes with two cables. All right, did I miss anything? Okay, we got this here. Guess I'll find out later what that is. Put that back in there. Did I miss anything? Okay, we got this here. I love how everything is nice, and it has. I love the packaging. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. We got more stuff here. Again, that's what the instructions are for, to tell me what everything does. Okay, but yeah, what do you think? It's beautiful, huh? Love how they package it. Good job. Very impressed. I like it. But there you go. That's the unboxing of the Ronin SC Gimbal. Stay tuned for a future video, maybe how to use it.